Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is 10 divine flowers which are favorites of Hindu gods. The Torah, according to the Hindu religious text Vamana Purana, when Lord Shiva drank the poison which was churned out of the ocean by the gods and demons, the Tura appeared from the chest of Lord Shiva. Since then, the Tura became Lord Shiva's favorite flower. Hence, the Tura is offered to Lord Shiva during Shiv Puja to get rid of the poison of ego, rivalry, envy, and hatred. While there are some other Shiva flowers like Akhand, Bel Patra, Ketaki flower is also used in the worship of Shiva. Red Hibiscus. The enhancing and ravishing red color flower is offered to goddess Kali. It is because the shape of the flower represents Ma Kali's tongue and its red color symbolizes Ma Kali's fierceness. Thus, in West Bengal, goddess Kali is adorned with the garland of 108 red hibiscus flowers during Kali Puja. Parijat. Parijat flower or night flowering colored jasmine is a divine flower whose roots are in heaven. Since it's a Vishnu flower, the flower is believed to be favorite of Lord Vishnu, goddess Lakshmi. According to Hindu mythology, this tree came out as a result of churning of ocean by the gods and demons. Lord Indra found this tree and brought it to heaven, where its beautiful and fragrant flowers spread beneath the tree and pleasured the god. Lotus, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Lakshmi sits on lotus flower and thus this flower become goddess Lakshmi's favorite flower. If you offer a lotus flower to goddess Lakshmi during Diwali or Lakshmi Puja, it will make her gratified and in return she will grant wealth and good fortune. In fact, if you keep a lotus seed mala in the temple of your home, it will please goddess Lakshmi. Marigold. All red color flowers are dear to Lord Ganesha, but saffron yellow flower named Marigold is Lord Ganesha's favorite flower. Especially red marigold flowers are believed to please the Vinayaka greatly. This flower is special because it is only flowers of Hindu deities that can be divided in its petal. Palash, the goddess of knowledge who wears a white sari and sits on white lotus. Devi Saraswati is found of Palash flowers. Although all white flowers are liked by Devi Saraswati, Palash flowers are considered to be an essential component in Saraswati Puja. In fact, the worship of Devi Saraswati is considered incomplete without Palash flowers. Tulsi. Tulsi, a medicinal plant, acts as both flower and auspicious leaf, which is used in the worship of Lord Krishna. It is because Tulsi or basil leaves are loved by Lord Krishna and thus in most of the temples Tulsi leaves also offered as prasada. Hence, Tulsi is also known as Krishna Tulsi. Other flowers like blue lotus and collar flowers are also loved by Lord Krishna. Crown flower with the white and purple shade. The flower is one of the Lord Shiva's favorite flower. Has 5 petals along with the crown like ring and hence the name crown flower. Also known as akhanda, it is a poisonous flower and therefore it must have ingredient of Shiv Puja. Crown flower has beautiful shades of purple and though considered to be poisonous. The auspiciousness of flower can be determined by it being used in puja and offered to Lord Shiva. Also popular as destroyer within the Trimurti. Red Nerium Orlando. Yet another beautiful choice of flowers with beautiful hue of pink and are offered to goddess Durga, Kali, Gauri as well as other lords. Jasmine. Although jasmine flowers are known for its fragrance and used for its medicinal properties, these flowers besides considered Lord Hanuman's favorite flower also holds a religious importance. Jasmine is loved by Lord Hanuman, and according to the ritual, 5 jasmine flowers should be offered to please Lord Hanuman. Offering jasmine oil along with sindoor to Lord Hanuman also helps in warding off evils from your life. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy this video. If you like it, then press the like button. Share this video with the family, friends and relatives. And also subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.